Hey guys, Kyle here. Hey, if you think you're doing any kind of renovations around your home and you live in the Greater Sydney area, then think Yes I Can Renovations for quality workmanship and outstanding customer service. Yes I Can Renovations is Sydney's fastest growing and most innovative building company, and they've got you covered from your kitchens, bathrooms, full home renovations, extensions, to your landscaping, decking, pergola, and pretty much everything in between. So ask for Richard. So Richard and the team at Yes I Can Renovations have a fantastic reputation throughout the whole industry when it comes to quality workmanship and amazing customer service. Not only while the work's being carried out at your place, but after the project's done. They're always there, they're on the end of the phone. At Yes I Can Renovations, not only will you have your own dedicated project manager, you can rest easy knowing they use only fully licensed, fully insured professional tradies for every single step of the renovation process, because they only use the latest state-of-the-art building processes and systems, and this allows the team at Yes I Can Renovations to provide industry-leading warranties. A lot of people don't do that. So guys, your home is your castle. It's your most valuable asset. So if you need any kind of home improvements whatsoever, put your faith in a company which not only does fantastic work, but is also reliable and trustworthy. And that company is Yes I Can Renovations, a multiple award-winning business for customer service and quality workmanship, with over 150 customer reviews giving them a 5-star rating. Pretty good. So contact Yes I Can Renovations today for your free measuring quote. And remember, as they say at Yes I Can Renovations, if we can't do it, then no one can. Trust them, they're good.